Hey everyone! Did you know that a single late rent payment could potentially impact your credit score for years? In today's video, we'll explore whether one late rent payment can truly ruin your credit score and what factors are involved. It's a topic that sparks a lot of debate, and we're diving right in. So many renters worry that a missed payment could severely damage their credit, but is this concern justified? I mean, it makes sense to be concerned, right? After all, our credit scores can affect everything from loans to interest rates. But here's the thing, not all late payments are created equal. First off, timing is everything. If you're just a day late, you might just get a warning from your landlord. However, if you're 30 days late or more, that's when the trouble starts. It's like a snowball effect. One late payment can lead to bigger problems down the road, not to mention the stress of dealing with potential collection agencies. So, it's totally normal to feel anxious about even one late payment. Now let's break down how credit scores actually work. Your credit score is made up of several factors, but one of the biggest is your payment history. This accounts for about 35% of your score. So, if you miss a payment, that can definitely hit hard. But here's some good news. Credit scoring models also take into account how long you've had credit and the types of credit you use. So, if you've been responsible with your payments in the past, one late rent payment might not be the end of the world. And what about the details? A late payment is generally reported after it's 30 days overdue, and it can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. But again, the impact lessens over time, especially if you get back on track with your payments. The key insight here is that while a late payment can affect your credit, there are many factors that influence the severity of this impact. For example, if you have a high credit score to start with, a single late payment might drop it, but not as drastically as if you were already struggling with your score. Plus, the type of credit scoring model used can make a difference too. Some models are more forgiving than others. The bottom line? It's definitely something to take seriously, but don't panic just yet. To sum up, while a late rent payment can affect your credit score, it isn't the end of the world, and there are ways to mitigate the damage. Staying informed and proactive can help you bounce back quicker than you think. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.